Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix volume problem in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and you are having any volume problem, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, first of all you have to go for sound and vibration, and here you have to make sure that your phone is not on mute mode. If you have, you just have to tap on the sound to enable your sound in phone. And here just tap on volume, and here you might have to increase the volume from here. So after that, just go back, and here you just have to look for accessibility, and here just go for hearing enhancement, and here if you have enabled mute all sound, you just have to disable that. And after that, you just have to go back and look for do not disturb in your phone. Just go for search, and here just search for do not disturb, tap on it, and here you have to make sure that this setting has been disabled. So after that, if you are still having an issue, so you just have to go for general management, and here just tap on reset, and here just tap on reset all settings. So after that, you just have to select reset all settings, so it will not delete any of your data, but it will reset all settings of your phone. If you have any issue or enable a different setting, so you can easily solve that issue by just resetting your settings. So after that, you must have to scroll down, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any Bluetooth device. If you have enabled, just disable the Bluetooth. And here if you're still having the same issue, just have to open your dial pad, and here just enter the code, which is star hash 0 star hash. Just enter that, and here you just have to tap on speaker to check your speaker, and just tap on speaker, and here if you haven't listened any sound, so it might be any software problem, so you just have to wait for your software update. So to check that, just open settings, and here just go for software update, and here just tap on download and install. So it will download and install any software update of your phone if you have, and here you can see your software is up to date. So if after that, if you're still having the same issue, you must have to check your hardware. You must have to go to your any phone repairing shop, and here just check your system hardware, which is because it might be having any water or dust in that. So after that, you can easily fix the problem. So that's how you can easily fix volume problem in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.